morning, you guys. Happy Vlogmas. I just woke up because my cat was meowing non-stop, so now I'm up and it's fucking cold. The heat doesn't fucking work in this place, I feel like, and I don't want to turn the heater on all night, but anyways, it's time to get up. The bed is made. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the kitchen and start making breakfast. 26 date Toby. 12:11. Okay, good. Yeah, that expires the same time as the milk. I said I was gonna make some breakfast sandwich, but I needed the pan that this was on, and so I decided to just eat this and I'll just have a breakfast sandwich for lunch instead. So that's gonna be the meal. Here's Toby. She just finished eating breakfast. What's up, you guys? Just woke up from my nap. Actually, well, I just took a shower, but I took a nap for about 2 hours. They only had like 6 hours of sleep or something like that, but what time is it? Let's check. It is 2:26 and I didn't eat lunch yet. I ended up eating lunch for breakfast, and now we're gonna eat breakfast for lunch. Finish redoing the whole shelf here. It looks so much better now. Before, it just looked like I just dumped everything there, and that's basically what happened. So now it doesn't look like that. I love it. And everything, there's like something in these drawers, so now they're being like used and purposeful. And then here is gonna be the cat stuff. So cat food and medicine is here, cat toys and all that stuff. On this side, I have photos up of my family. I have yearbooks, some books that I read, some Happy Meal toy, and then this panda that my boyfriend got for me from China in 2012, I believe. Lights on this side, and I actually use a thumbtack, hopefully I'm saying that right, to keep it up because the tape would not stay up whatsoever. It doesn't hold at all. So yeah, I like it on this wall much better than around here. I feel like around here was just like so annoying. Also, the internet cable was like all around here. I fixed it. I made it like go to the side here and then go all the way to the back, and then I put the router in the corner there. So now it's out the way, and I love it, and like no one's gonna trip over anything anymore. She just jumped all the way up there. But as you guys can see, the bed is almost cleared, and also there is basically nothing under my bed besides that little fitness thing, which I will bring out whenever I need to work out, but that's the only thing. And then that tape that I that rolled all the way over there, but I'll take care of that later. Just put all the stuffed animals in this little bin. All of my dirty clothes are there. I transported all of my jackets out here, and so now my jackets are here. And then, oh my god, what the fuck, this bitch. Still working on this rack. Don't know what to do with it yet, but we're getting somewhere. I'm gonna sweep the floor, and then I'm gonna mop it, and then we can finally feel clean. Oh yeah, and then here I have my washing machine, like mini washing machine here. And then we have extra toilet paper. I put the Merry Christmas sign on here. I was gonna put it outside, but I think the bathroom needs a little bit of love, so got that. Again, this is how the room looks like. Oh, I added the table from the bathroom. I put it out here so I can make my tree taller. It's so small down here, so now it kind of looks cool. It's kind of making a statement here, so I like that. And then, oh yeah, the closet. Closet looks like this. I filled it up with all the boxes that was under my bed. I put it in here so that I don't have to like see it, and it would all just be here. Also, I didn't know like how to use the space down here, because obviously I'm not gonna have clothes like that are like super long. So this is a good way of like what is it called? This is a good way of using the space, maximizing my space. But yeah, so all of that there, and then I just have crew necks here, work stuff, and then clothes I don't really grab. This Adidas bag has a lot of bags as well that I don't use. I have extra makeup product here. I have all my memories here. I have an extra duffel bag. This one I believe has some clothes I don't wear, and then these are just really old shoes that my brother got for me, so I'm keeping them, and I'm keeping them in the box. So there we go. Side, I added this little drawer thing that I got from Ross. This will just hold all of the oils and stuff like that here, and then seasonings. Also have salt, sugar, and flour here. Didn't know what else to put there, so I just did that, and then I put the utensil stuff here. Toby's toys here. And this side is a little crazy. I still didn't touch it, but I did clean the windows so they don't feel grimy anymore. I also wiped the blinds because they were looking and feeling grimy, so I feel like I had to wash my hands every time I touch it. So I finally found this. I've been looking for this. It's my sponge strainer, and so I'm excited. I'm gonna add a toothbrush here because sometimes I like getting ready for bed here because the sink is bigger. I have more space. It's not that organized. We have a bunch of plastic bags, so if I ever need, oh yeah, and this extra ice tray that I don't want to use, but all this trash bags. Here are my sushi bake supplies. So I have like all the trays here, the lids, the bags, and then on this side, we have all of my food. We have cup noodles, curry up there, malted powder, Ovaltine. We have coffee stuff here, noodles, more noodles, cereals, mashed potatoes, Spam, all the goods.